Get ready. Start. Sir, the honorable mover of this bill has admirably and in very clear terms explained its aims and objects. It seeks to get over the effect of a judgment of the Supreme Court of India. This bill provides for transfer of all cases of an SSC pending before any officer and all subsequent cases that may arise in the future by a single order. Mr. Kishan Chand has shown light on the undesirable character of this amendment. I have an objection of a different sort. The judgment of the Supreme Court was based on two grounds. The majority judgment did not deal with the present section under which omnibus transfers were purported to be made. The four judges took the view that the section did not contemplate omnibus transfer, and since the transfer in that case was of an omnibus nature, it was beyond the purview of the powers of income tax officers and it was therefore bad. One judge agreed to this view, but he went further. He held that section 5(7)(a) itself offended the constitution and was therefore bad. The four judges who delivered the main judgment did not pronounce a verdict on this aspect of the issue. But all the same, there are observations in the main judgment which lend support to the view taken by the single judge. In the absence of any difference, the judgment of the single judge to the effect that section 5(7)(a) itself was void in as much as it offended the constitution is still the valid law. For the constitution says that the judgments pronounced by the Supreme Court shall be the law of the land. This amendment, while getting over the effect of the judgment of the four judges, does not get over the situation created by the judgment of the single judge, and that judgment in the absence of any difference is the accepted law of the land. I therefore feel that the purpose of this amending bill may be defeated. The object can only be achieved if there is a large scale and thorough amendment of various other sections of the Income Tax Act. This amendment, in my opinion, is shocking to one's sense of justice and fair play. We know that all laws provide for transfers from one body to another body. In the criminal jurisdiction, a criminal case can be transferred from one magistrate or one judge to another.